Hello guys, this is me Monica and welcome back to our YouTube channel WP Hope. Today we are going to discuss on the topic how to add chatbot to your website. First it will open your website. So our website name is WP Hope. So you can see here there isn't any chatbot here onwards. So we are going to add chatbot to this. So for that initially we have to make Tidio account. So let's get logged into the Tidio website. So for that, type Tdo.com. And then you can see here Tidio customer service platform to grow your business. So click on it. And then this is the interface of the Tidio. So let's get started with it. So for creating the free account, you can register with these followings: email, Facebook, Shopify or Wix. But I'm going to register with my email. So let me type my email here. Give your password. And here you have to give your website name. Our website name was wphope.com. So I'm copying and pasting there. I agree the terms and condition, and now I'm going to create a free account. Now here configure your live chat. This is the name which will be displayed over there. So I'm going to write here just WP Hope. Then you can select the color scheme from here. Okay, then similarly you can also select the profile from here by uploading the avatar. So let me add the profile too. So I'm clicking on it, and here onwards I'm selecting this image and just click on open. Then here it is updated. So now let's continue it. Then you have to fill up these informations too. Here now I have filled these all information. You can fill it and then just continue it. Here the option arises that it is a step 3. Asks if you like to get a closer at your offer. If you are doing any kinds of business, then you can use this. And if you want to ask for a phone call, then you can choose this option. But I just want to get a warmly greeting, so I'm choosing this. Now this is the fourth step. You can read and once and then continue it. Here this is what you can feel the value that the Tidio brings to your business. Now we're just keeping and going to the main dashboard. Now we have to open our dashboard of our website. Here I'm logged into my dashboard. Now I have to install a plugin named Tdo Chat. So let me go to the install plugin. And then now I have to search here Tidio. This is the plugin which you want, so let's install it. It is installed and now let's activate it. Now you can see the Tidio plugin has been successfully installed. So let's go into the Tidio chat. Now here you have to give the email from which you have made that Tidio account and give the password of it. And so let's go to the Tidio panel. Now here you are logged in. Hello WP. So click on OK. And then let's log in again. And let's go into it. So you are at the dashboard of your Tidio panel. So now let us check whether Tidio chat is activated in our website or not. So let us refresh here. And look, you can see Chatbot is available. Chatbot is available, and when you will click on it, you can see the message which we have allowed to exist over here, and this is loaded. So now, what kind of message to be displayed when initially a customer visit, or we can say any visitor visit to our website? So let us set up some panels to there. So for that, let's go to the chatbots over here. And then here you can see edit option. So click on edit. Then now here we have to make a way, or it's like what to be displayed to the visitor. So here, well, you will click on send chat. You will find here, hi there. If you want to change this message, then you can change it. I want to change it. So let me write here, hello. And so let me cross it. Want to add some more actions and more decisions, then you can add from here. And you can see here several trigger conditions and actions are here. You can choose them as you wish. And so let me add some more action. Let me ask a question over there. For asking a question, you have to just drag and drop and just drop it over here. And also, then what kinds of question you want to ask, then you can add over here. Like, let me write how can I help you? So this is done. And now I have to link this one with this one. So just drag a line from this point to this point and join it. Now we can see we have linked these, and now let's go to the shape and let's see changes to our website. So welcome a visitor. Yes, so let's go to the shaping. And it is saved. So let's go to our website, refresh it once again, and let's see. And the changes created in our chat box. So let us click here, and you can see, hello, how can I help you? This is the message which we displayed over there, and this is a question which we asked to our visitor. So now they can send the message and converse, and the conversation furthermore starts. So you can add a chatbot to your website, and so hope you like it. Also, so like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.